In this video, I'll show you how to download Need for Speed Most Wanted on your PC or laptop. First, open your web browser and search for Steam. Open the official Steam website and download the Steam client if you haven't installed it already. Once the download is complete, install Steam and sign in to your account. Next, open the Store tab and search for Need for Speed Most Wanted. If the game is available on Steam in your region, open its store page. Click Add to Cart and complete your purchase. After purchasing the game, go to your library, select Need for Speed Most Wanted and click Install. Choose your preferred installation location, accept the required prompts, and Steam will begin downloading and installing the game automatically. If the game isn't available on Steam, it may no longer be sold on the platform or may be unavailable in your region. In that case, check the official EA, app, or other authorized game retailers to see if it's available for purchase. Once the installation is complete, launch the game from your Steam library and start playing. And that's how you can download Need for Speed Most Wanted on your PC or laptop.